In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a sales funnel with Getresponse. To begin, sign into your Getresponse account and head to the main dashboard. Take a moment to orient yourself because the funnel builder lives inside the Tools area. From the top menu, go to Tools, then choose Conversion Funnel. This is where Getresponse lets you connect the key pieces of a funnel, like a landing page and automated follow-up messages, in a single guided flow. Once you are on the conversion funnel page, click Create Funnel. Getresponse will ask what type of funnel you want to build. Select either Build a List if your main goal is collecting subscribers, or Sell a Product if you want the funnel focused on purchases. Choose the option that best matches your outcome, because it helps Getresponse set up the right structure for you. Next, you will name your funnel. Type a clear funnel name that you will recognize later, especially if you plan to build more than one funnel. After you enter the name, click Save and continue to move forward. Now it is time to create the page people will land on. Click Create a Landing Page, and you will be taken to the template selection area. Pick a template that fits your offer and style. At this stage, focus on choosing a layout that matches your goal, such as capturing signups or presenting a product. Once you have selected your template, proceed by clicking Next and then Publish. Publishing makes your landing page live so it can start receiving visitors when you are ready to share the link. After the landing page is published, you will set up the follow-up that happens automatically. Click Create an autoresponder to build your first follow-up message. This is the email Getresponse sends based on the timing rules inside the autoresponder, so keep the message aligned with what you promised on the landing page. Then click Design Message and pick an email template. Choose one that is clean and easy to read, and make sure it matches the look and feel of your page for consistency. When you are happy with the design, click Save and Publish to activate the autoresponder message. At this point, your funnel has a landing page and an automated follow-up working together inside Getresponse. That covers everything you need to know.